Today we got a pretty good amount going on. S2000, not much work, but this back tire back here keeps going flat. There's a nail in there, so I'm gonna plug it up. He's trying to finish porting the head, at least one of the heads, and then he's got to do oil change on the CRZ. And then maybe later on we'll get to taking apart more of the RB, the whole bottom end, and maybe we'll get to mount the TV on the wall. But yeah, we'll see. So I got the wheel off the S2000. At first I was gonna try to plug it while it was on the car, but that's not happening because whew, I'd have to put some body weight behind it. We got the plug in right here. I'm gonna snip the rest of that off and then pump some air in here, and I should be good to go. I think I should be good. I don't have to buy no new tires anytime soon. Get the snips, get the snips. You said just snip it off? Yeah. Damn, this shit like gooey, sticky. Do you use a razor blade or something? Shit.
No, I use that. That's exactly what I use. I use 2 hands to do this shit.
Yikes. Yeah, I wasn't getting it with 2 hands because I had a GoPro on. Damn, am I gonna feel this on the road?
No, it's gonna flatten out.
Alright. Let's put this bad boy back on. Hold on. What do y'all think? Should I get some new wheels? Should I put these on the Skyline? Or should I put them on my TSX? Haven't decided yet. Here we go. God damn. And you go in a circle. Stay strapped. Alright. Gotta put the car down. Pump this thing up. Yeah, I think we're good for now. You know what? I forgot to put the e-brake back up. And there it goes. I knew it was gonna slide. The 300ZX won't start up again, so now we gotta jump it with the S2000. So, yep. Now we gotta wait and let it charge, because I hope it's soon, because that rain cloud is moving in. No, go the other way, cloud. Go. Don't come this way. So I'm starting to mount the TV I got from my mom's house. She just gave it to me. So we need to get some little entertainment in the shop and mount it right here, right above this table. But it started raining all of a sudden outside. We got the Z going right now because it's charging up its own battery. Can't find my battery charger, so I don't know. We got Aaron over here working on his little port and polish.
Yeah, getting there.
He's getting there. You're doing the exhaust side right now?
Yeah.
You gonna do the intake side too, or?
Probably not today.
Looking good though.
I'm gonna have to order some more tips.
Yeah.
You gotta clean it up. Good.
Yep. But let me mount this bracket and let's see if we get this TV up today. Yeah, we got TV in the shop now.
That's a good, like, this, I mean, me standing here, this is a good height. This is up.
Yeah, I mean, it's right in front of us. Look at that. Free TV from my mom's house. Mounted it up. Put it to use. Next we gotta get a couch. Put it over there or something. I don't know. We'll see how much space we have after we build another table. Probably gonna build another table next week or the week after, but because all my stuff is on this table, we're gonna need another table right here in this spot. See how it all goes. Was gonna tear apart this today, but it took too long. It's okay. Another day. And that pretty much concludes the day. It's raining right now. Aaron's going home. I'm just gonna finish up cleaning up the shop. You know, we mounted the TV right on top, which is awesome because now we can link our phone or whatever up to it, and if we need some kind of information, you know, pop up right on the TV. We can look it up. Like I said, next week we're gonna be building a table. Maybe next week, I don't know. We'll buy all the stuff again, build a table just for this side, so we can put more stuff on top of it. I kind of want to hurry up and put this together, but we're still polishing, port and polishing. He did this head. Looks alright. This one looks a lot better, but he's gonna get some more wheels. Then he's gonna have to do the intake side.